Hello all of you, welcome back to the Pretty Skillful Us. I hope you had a nice and safe Diwali. Finally, the festive season is over and I am back with yet another amazing video about spoken English. So, in today's video, I am going to talk about 5 such mistakes that have been stopping you from speaking fluent English. Remember, you had asked me about some tips and tricks about how to enhance your spoken English. I'm going to provide you the same in this video. So watch the video till the end. तो मेरे कुछ दोस्त जो कि इंग्लिश सीख रहे हैं मेरे हिंदी वीडियोस के जरिए, उनके लिए मैं ये वाला वीडियो हिंदी में भी बना रही हूँ. हिंदी वाले वीडियो का लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूंगी. So let's get started. Mistake number 1. Don't bore yourself. Yes, why bore anyone? You should not bore yourself. You should not bore anyone. One day you wake up and you make a decision that today I will start learning English. So the first thing that you do is you pick a grammar book and you start reading the chapters, verb, noun, tenses, etc., etc. You make a lot of notes. And then you keep on reading, you try to memorize everything, you try to memorize all the chapters, all the rules and all the details and blah blah blah. And what happens after some time? Just think of it. Yes, you start feeling sleepy. So if you're someone who is okay with reading a lot and you can memorize all these grammar rules like that, then my friend, you are incredible. But if you're someone like me and reading can bring you one deep sleep, then my friend, you have come to the right video. Yes, subscribe right now. So now let's discuss what to do instead of reading. So the mistake is don't bore yourself. So rather than boring yourself, you can entertain yourself. By entertaining yourself, I mean you can watch some English TV series, and that too with subtitles. Don't forget, you have to watch the English TV series with subtitles. So initially it can be a little difficult as you have to listen to the dialogue and you have to keep reading the subtitles. But you can do it at your own speed as you have the option to pause the video midway and then read and then continue further. Okay, this is why I suggest you to watch English TV series and not a movie. Now, if you're wondering what to watch, which TV series to watch and what all kind of videos to watch, then I'll put an I button over here to help you out. Basically, the concept is that when you watch these TV series with subtitles and you're kind of concentrating on what is being spoken, you will slowly start understanding the sentences. You will also start understanding the difference between a right sentence and a wrong sentence. So that is how you learn grammar. And that is how we learnt our mother tongue, right? We did not memorize the grammar rules. Mistake number 2, paying too much attention to the vocabulary. So let's talk about this one advice that I am sure all of us have received. The advice says you have to read newspaper, you have to underline all the difficult words, take a dictionary, find out the meaning to all these words, and then you have to note it down in a diary. So you start learning 10 words every day. So by the end of the year, you will have learned 3,650 words already. Wow, such an amazing idea. So you start writing 10 words daily in that diary. By the end of the year, that diary contains 3,650 words. And how many do you remember? Works for you? Congratulations. I will tell you exactly what worked for me. What worked for me was read less, retain more. Yes, don't learn 10 different words every day. Learn one word. Use it 100 times and then learn more words and use them 100 times. That's how you will retain more in your brain, because that's how the brain functions. Okay, the more you practice it in your head, the better it is absorbed in your head and the brain is able to retain it better. So that's a far better way of learning vocabulary. Don't learn 10 words a day, learn one, but repeat it multiple times. Mistake number 3, wasting too much of time beating around the bush. Yes, that means you are wasting too much of time searching for such tutorials on English, or you are searching for, the spoken English courses, or too many books on how to speak in English, blah, blah, blah. So that actually consumes a lot of our time. Rather than wasting time on all of these things, we can rather go and talk to someone in English, because that is the most basic way to learn any language, that is listening and speaking. See, you have been asking me about the tips and tricks to enhance your spoken English. I have talked about it so many times. This is the best tip that I can give you. No better shortcut than this. I'm not asking you to read a lot of books and memorize all the grammar rules and all of those things. I am just asking you to talk to someone in English. That is the best tip that I can give you, and that is the best tip that you can follow. The shortcut to learning English. Start speaking to someone in English. Trust me, if you are reading a grammar book for 2 hours and if you are talking to someone in English for 2 hours, if you do that and you compare both, talking to someone in English for 2 hours can bring you better results. So go and communicate in English. And this brings me down to the mistake number 4 that most of you commit. That is not practicing enough. No matter how rich our vocabulary is, no matter how good of a grammar do we have, but to learn to speak English, we have to actually speak. Just like we cannot master driving until and unless we actually drive. We do not get involved into the intricacies of the machinery, right? Just like that, you need to start speaking English. Find someone to practice English with. I have listed down a few ways to practice English. I will put an I button over here for the same. So you can go and find out such methods to practice English and start practicing now. So finally, mistake number 5, which is the worst mistake ever, that is giving up too soon. Okay? Don't do that. Don't do that to yourself. If you want to learn something, give it your heart, your mind, your soul. Okay? Don't be like, hesitant of speaking. If you really want to learn it, be that brave person. Okay? Don't be hesitant to speak in English in front of anyone. Even if you speak wrong English, what will happen? Nothing wrong. You will only be informed about that mistake so that you can correct it. So treat your mistakes like a milestone and keep moving forward. Don't be hesitant of what will the other person think of you. Let them think whatsoever. You be, intact with your goal that you have to achieve this no matter what. So these were the 5 mistakes which can be a real hindrance in your spoken English journey. So if this video helped you, do give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn English, you want to enhance your spoken English, and you want to see more such videos, more of me, then do subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. And if you have other people around whom you love and you want to spread your love around, then you can always share this video with them. Do let me know your experiences in the comment section below, and see me in my next video.